Another piece of old Florida fades to memory as the iconic Shell Factory in North Fort Myers announced it's closing its doors after 86 years. This place was established in 1938, but the Shell Factory was always more than just a roadside stop. It was a beloved destination for generations. Families flocked here for mini golf, arcade games, and bumper boats. More recently, the nature park was added. It was an animal rescue. It was a special edition under the ownership of Pam Cronin and her late husband Tom, who overtook this venture back in 1997. Alas, time hasn't been kind to the Shell Factory, and after years of rising costs and repairs, this old Florida destination is no longer viable. The owners have announced the land is being sold, and the park, well, it's already closed. Another piece of old Florida gone. You will be missed, Shell Factory.